been issued by the Greenwood Forest County Police Department. Please stand by for further instructions. An administrative message has been issued by the Greenwood Forest County Police Department. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. All members of the Hive line were arrested. They called themselves the Forest Hive line. They have been already operating for a long time. During their interrogation, one of the first members and creators of the Hive line confessed that they used one of the larger trees in the forest as their hive for over 5 years before getting around 100 members until now. However, we had only captured 81 members of the Forest Hive line. Please be vigilant until we have caught all the members of the Hive line. The members usually wear brown coats. Remember, do not directly engage with them. If you spot one of the members, call the Greenwood Forest County Police Department. As of now, we are unsure where are the last 19 members. We have also discovered small underground tunnels underneath the large tree that they used as their hive. These tunnels resemble tunnels that can be found in an ant nest. But there weren't many of them, and they were for the most part empty, apart from some trash that had been thrown there. This is all for now. Remember to stay vigilant. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.